In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord mobile notifications. If your phone isn't alerting you when messages come in, the fix is usually making sure notifications are enabled both inside Discord and in your device's settings. I'll guide you through each part so everything is set up correctly and you don't miss anything important. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone. On the main screen, look for your profile icon along the bottom bar. Go ahead and tap your profile. This takes you to your account area where you can adjust how the app behaves. Next, in the top right corner, tap the small gear icon. That gear opens your settings. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on your profile screen, not in a chat or server. Once you're in settings, you'll see a list of categories that control different parts of the app. Find and select notifications. This is the hub for how Discord alerts you on mobile. Inside here, first enable notifications within Discord. Turn on the main notification toggle so the app is allowed to send alerts. Think of this as giving Discord permission from the app side. If you like, you can also glance at the related options on this page to make sure they match how you want to be notified, but the key is that notifications are on. Now, to make sure your phone itself allows these alerts, tap the option labeled Get Notifications outside of Discord. When you select this, Discord will open your device's notification settings specifically for the Discord app. This step hands things over to your phone's operating system, which is where the final permission lives. In the device settings that appear, enable notifications for Discord. Turn on the main Allow Notifications switch. On some phones, you'll also see choices for sounds, banners, lock screen display, badges, or notification channels. Enable them as needed so alerts can actually appear, make a sound, and show up where you expect. If there are categories like messages or calls, make sure those are allowed too. When you're done, back out to return to Discord. And there you go. With notifications enabled in Discord and in your device's settings, your phone should now alert you when new messages arrive. That's all.